L could be a confusing letter because there are many ways to create the sound. If you already know how to make the letter L, jump to the Push It Good section of this chapter. L is a lateral approximant, with lateral as the key word. Therefore, let the sound escape through the sides of your tongue. You will need to train your tongue's tip to go into position, but on the sides, allow space between your teeth and tongue for the sound to escape. La, la, la. Guiding quick tip. You can use your finger first to touch the palatal area where you want your tongue tip to go. Sometimes to touch the part helps you identify the correct place. So for example, la, la, la. There are a few ways to achieve this: in front of your teeth, between your teeth, behind your teeth, on your palate. Front, la, la, la. Between, la, la, la. Behind, la, la, la. On your palate, la, la, la. Most times, we just place the tongue tip on the palatal area, activate our voice, and go. La, la, la. L versus R. If you can't separate them, place your tongue on the front of your teeth to force the sound. La, la, la versus ra, ra, ra. Some sounds are so similar that the only way to separate them is to truly separate them. So we're going to use the front L, la, 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 versus the back R, ra, ra, ra. And this will force you to create two different places, la, ra, la, ra, la, ra. Then you can try to combine them. La, ra, la, ra. Check out our chapter on the letter R and return here. Watch out! W versus L. Don't accidentally curl your lips into a W. Correct, incorrect. Tell, teu. Hell, heu. Traveling L's? Yes, moving your tongue tip around will also help your mouth's flexibility, especially your lower jaw. Push it good. When generating the letter L, don't just tap it. Push it slightly to create tension, like bouncing. Continual tension sounds like this, not tense, tense. La, 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 light, light. Not tense, la, la, la. Tense, la, la, la. Light, light. Don't move on too fast. Extend it. Prolong the sound with these examples. Laugh, long, and place. Dark versus light L. Light often means the sound is generated at the front of the mouth, while dark is at the back and deeper. Dark L sounds like you are disgusted at something. The dark L is deeply affected by other letters. Example, girl. With these words, it feels like you are pushing backwards. Girl, 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 girl. Girl. Other words with dark L's are install, tell, and bottle. Let's look at some mixed words with light and dark L's. Little, level. The most important part is the throat vibration and deep sound with words like Google. Sometimes L is not pronounced. For instance, could or have. Update your notes. We're all done now. Go and check out our exercises.